Hi guys, recently saw on the internet how they clean the dashboard, the interior of the car with the help of Lenore. They also clean the feet and seats of the car if they are leather. Friends, decide to check the method, wipe everything everywhere, and see the result, and whether dust collect after applying the Lenore. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, I applied Lenore and clearly see the result as the black color of the interior changed, how it has become saturated and clean. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.